Good morning. My name is Ruzigar, and in this lesson, I'll try to explain a different way of writing percentages for IELTS Task 1. Well, I have seen many writings where students keep writing percentages the way they see, which is absolutely fine and acceptable. But if you are aiming for a higher grade, it is better to have some variety in your writing. Let me show you what I mean. So, in this task 1 sample question, we have 3 pie charts, and this type of question shows changes over time. And it's very vital to be able to read the data very carefully in order to demonstrate it in your writing. As it is clear, we have 3 different years, which are 2010, 2012, and 14. By looking at 2010, we can see that the highest percentage is 34%. And the second one is 25%. And then we have the little ones, 11, 7, 3, and 20. So most of the time, what we see in the answers of the students, sentences like this. Banana consumption was 34% in 2010. I mean, this is a good sentence, but if you want to get a higher score again, you better change it. So it's clear that we have highlighted the highest percentage, and we have highlighted the year, and the sentence is in the past. Excellent. Good point. But if you see, by looking at 2010, we can see that we have got 6 different fruits. And if you keep writing bananas, banana was 34, apple was 3, peach was 25. I mean, the examiner will get bored by looking at it. And our purpose in this lesson is to show you how to write percentages in a different way. In English, it's called fractions. So we're going to change the numbers to words, basically. So let me show you what we mean by this. So I'm going to show you, I'm going to draw pizza, and then we're going to divide it into 4. So as you can see, each piece has the same size. So 25%, 25%, 25, and another 25. So altogether it's 100%. So in our previous example, we saw that here we can see that this thing, peach, was 25%. And if we want to write a sentence about this, we have to think carefully, because we have already written here 1%, like banana consumption was 34% in 2010. Excellent. But if we write something like that, peach, however, was 25%. So you are basically repeating yourself. So this 25% will change to a phrase, to a fraction. Let me show you what I mean. 25% becomes a quarter. What happens if you eat 2 pieces? So what would this become? So basically you eat half of it. What happens if you eat 3 pieces? So everything here is 75%. How would you paraphrase this? So in the first example here, we said 25% becomes a quarter. If we have 3 25s, which became 75, then you can say 3 quarters. Now we're going to go back again and try to write a sentence for this 25. So one example could be, in 2010, Peach accounted for a quarter of the total number which was the second biggest or largest. Sorry for my handwriting, but the purpose is here to show you the difference. So in here, banana consumption was 34% in 2010. So we already said the number, the percentage. Now, in the second one, we say in 2010, peach accounted for a quarter of the total number, which was the second largest. I hope this makes it clear. We have done the 25 percentages. Now we're going to go again further. Again, another pizza example. And this time, we are going to divide it into 5 pieces. So, each piece is 20 now. So, what would you say if I asked you, I ate only this one, this piece of the pizza? Or what would you say if I asked you, I ate this much pizza? So if, as you can see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can say 1/5. You can say 2/5. So if we say 1/5, that means, let me write it here, 1/5. That means 20%. If I said 2/5, that means 40%. I hope this makes it clear. If I said 3, so 3 times 20 becomes 60%, right? So I would say 3/5. Okay, I hope this one is also clear. Let's move on. Another pizza example. Now, so this is 100% again. So each piece is 33.3%. So if I ate this much, so if you see something like this in your question, this would become 1/3 of pizza. So basically we have got 1, 2, 3. So you write 3 in here and then you choose 1. If you ate 2, which is 66 something, this would become 2/3. Okay? And oops, sorry. Another example would be this one. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let me do this. So now we have got 10 pieces. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So if it's 10%, if it's 20%, what you would say if you ate this much, you would say 1/10. Let me write it for you here. So if you ate 10%, you would say 1/10, or you could say 1/10. If you ate 2 pieces, which is 20%, you would say 2/10, and so on. Okay, I hope this makes it clear for you when you look at the pie charts. Now, I'm going to show you one example where I have written 2 different sentences. And the first sentence, what we're going to do, I have written a sentence for this product, banana. And in this first example, I've written something like this. Banana accounted for 34% of the total consumption in 2010, which is this one. And this then dropped to 13% in 2012, and this is this one. So if you look at the pie charts, in 2010 it's 34, in 2012 it's 13. But we want to have something else, a different way of writing. So we have 34% which is more than 1/3. It's 34. So here, just over a third of teenagers preferred banana to other fruits in 2010. So just over means a little bit more than 33%. And then we have, and then this declined to just above 1/10. So as you can see, I'm trying to use fractions here. So 1/10 means 10%, right? But just above, oh, sorry for the spelling in here. Just above means more than 10%. So that's it for today. I hope you liked it. Please look at this task 1 question. Try to write body paragraphs for other fruits. And if you have any questions, you can contact me through Facebook. Just go to the page IELTS for Students in Baku, or you can email me here or text me, something like that. Well, I hope this lesson helps you with your future studies. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact me. Thanks a lot.